Now we're going to talk about angle bisectors and how to deal with problems with them. Ray RT bisects angle CRJ. The measure of angle CRT equals 25 degrees. Find the measure of angle CRJ. What we'll do is start by drawing a picture, which is always a good idea. And it may be difficult to tell what to draw a picture of, but I know that I have an angle, and that's what I want to draw the picture of. So I'm going to start by drawing angle CRJ, and remember that drawing an angle or naming an angle is based on a point on the side of the angle, so that'd be C, R is the vertex, and J is the point on the other side. And then I'm being told that ray RT bisects that angle. Bisects means that it cuts it directly in half, so when I draw it, I may want to try to draw it with a little bit of accuracy. I already have point R drawn, and T, in order to bisect it, is going to go through it. Now, if you'll remember, when we talk about angles being congruent to each other, which is, again, bisects means to cut it in half, which means that these two angles that are created, angle CRT and angle TRJ, are congruent, and I can mark them as congruent with the little arcs. CRT is 25 degrees, and because those are congruent to each other, I automatically know that this angle TRJ is also 25 degrees. Okay, then I'm being asked to find the measure of angle CRJ, which when I look at the picture, CRJ is the whole. And if you remember, the angle addition postulate, just like the segment addition postulate, is part plus part equals whole. So part is 25 plus the other part, which is 25, is the whole, which is 50. So the measure of angle CRJ equals 50 degrees. Now, just to clarify the difference between this type and this type of picture or problem, we're going to talk about one that isn't necessarily an angle bisector. So that's why I said that it's not an angle bisector problem, because I want to make sure that you realize that not everything results in two congruent pieces. So this one says point D is in the interior of angle ABC. The measure of angle ABC is 72 degrees, and the measure of angle ABD equals 40 degrees. Find the measure of angle DBC. So again, I'm going to draw a picture. Point D is in the interior of the angle ABC, so I need to draw angle ABC. And by telling me that it's in the interior, it just means that it's somewhere in this vicinity. So I'll just draw a D in here. And the intention in this problem is that we probably should draw a ray through it as well. Now, ABC, which when I look at this is the entire thing. So ABC is 72 degrees, and ABD is 40 degrees. Again, part plus part equals whole. That's the whole idea behind this. So I look, and I need to find DBC, which I can see DBC now, and I can see that it is one of the parts that I need to know. So I have 40 plus X equals whole, which is 72. So subtracting 40, X is, sorry, not 40. X is 32. So the measure of angle DBC, which is our unknown, is 32 degrees.